Okay, so I don't know what to do. Oh balls, I'll carry on. Alright, welcome back. Back in the shed, albeit a noisy shed today. Today we're looking at a bargain. Well, I call it a bargain. But I wonder if you'll agree. I got this from... No, not Home Bargains. Let me think now. B&M. I get them confused all the time. Now this is an ELAN DAB Plus little portable radio, which is a digital radio. And I paid, believe it or not, I paid £5 for this. £5 for the digital radio. It's got the DAB Plus radio connections. It's got FM, UKW. It's got Bluetooth. It's got 3 presets. It's got a sleep timer. It's got 2 alarms. It's got a headphone output, and it's battery mode. I wonder if it's you can plug it in if it's on the what's it called, charger. We'll see. It takes batteries. It's got a 2-year warranty. All this £5, remember. It's got a 2-year warranty, and it takes, let me see, where does it say? Oh, doesn't say how many batteries. Does it say how many batteries it takes? Battery mode. Oh, requires tiny. Can you see that? 4 times AAA battery. No, AA batteries not included. Why not? I paid a £5 for this. Anyway, let's open the box. Am I recording? Yes, I am. Hope so. So, I'm trying to sneak a little video in on my day off. Oh, he stopped with a strimmer. Ideal. Because I want to keep up to get at least a couple of videos a week. And I've got so much stuff stacking up that I'll have nothing in the end. Nothing, I mean, no room. Don't know where nothing come from. Old age. What's this? Oh, I see. So you do get a lead. So you can plug it into an external power point. So you don't need the 4 AA batteries. Ideal. What else have you got? You've got a huge quick start guides. That one's in English. These must be in something else. Oh, why have I got these? Important safety, I think so. These are foreign. Oh, what's this? What is this? Wow. Let me have a look. Wow. What's this first? Pure. We value your opinion. Let's connect. See that? Only in Pure. Okay. You can go to store.pure.com, and this is sign up for our newsletter and get 10% off your next purchase from pure.com. So anybody want to see that? See that little whatever they call them things? You can go and get 10% off your next Pure purchase. See what this giant thing is. What's that? Nothing. Pure. Important safety information. Okay, it's a radio. I mean,
what's she gonna eat it?
Right, that's one for the bin. Put that there. Quick start guide. I might keep that because I've had some feedback.
Why don't you ever read the instructions?
Like normal people do.
Oh, there's another one there, look. So, there's another one there. I mean, do normal people read instructions? I don't know. Maybe it's me. Most things are like, you only read the instructions when you need to, don't you? So you get stuck at a position, or, you know, point in a construction or something, or you want to know exactly what a button does. Then you go for the instructions, don't you? Don't you? Who knows? Okie dokie, we have got. We'll have a look at them in a minute. Let's get this out of the box. Am I still recording? I'm paranoid about it going off. What about you, GoPro? Okay, let's get this box out the way. Box out the way. I'll clean it up later. Bubble wrap. God, when my kids were little, we'd have fun with the bubble wrap. You know, the old pip pop pop, pip pop pop, pip 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 pop pop. Oh, not very good. Ah, deflated bubble wrap. No. No. Not even one? Maybe, I don't know. Okay, so here we go. It's quite an attractive slate grey finish on it. And here's the headphone socket. There's the input for the 5V 2 ampage. I think that's 2 amp connection. So it's pretty classical. Got 1, 2, 3 plus on that. Menu, home, power. That must be to do with the tuning. So I've got some batteries here. So how do you want 4? So these batteries actually are for something else, but seeing as they're there, I'll use it just to can you hear that? That's one of them giant stone lorries. So because they're making some tidal power thing, and what's happening is they're going from the sea, which is about a mile from me, they're digging a tunnel in to a power thing using a huge paddle to make tidal power, and then they're taking all the stones or whatever they're doing with it, someone's back garden maybe. No, I'm not joking. And they're taking it about 4 miles up there to a power point. There's 4 of them every 15 minutes, and then they'll get filled up and they'll come back down again. Anyway, batteries are in. How do you turn it on? Shall I check out the instructions? Alright, okay, it's a different one. Oh, hello. Look at that. So, I don't know if you can see that. Looks nice LCD screen on it as well. Very posh. £5. It's scanning for stations. It's file 9. I'm in a shed, by the way, so maybe it won't find so many. But air it up a bit more. It's found 45 stations already, and actually knows the time. It does too.
Start to the week. I promise I'll make tomorrow nice and easy.
Look at that. Volume. See the volume? Gives you the name of the song on the actual display. Put that down a bit. Can you see that? I'm gonna get done now. If I talk over something while it's playing, is that the same for the copyright now? Because I got, believe it, let me turn that down for a minute. I got stung the other day. Well, not so much a copyright, but I did a little video. You've probably seen it. You know, when I'm installing my Rode, and I used some music from my GoPro, because I used the GoPro to actually make the video. To be fair, thought see me doing all the other stuff. But anyway, I put it on YouTube and I get this copyright claim. It's not like a strike, but it's a copyright claim. So they would, if I had AdWords, which I don't, I've only got 101 subs, maybe more now by the time you watch this, and they would be able to take the revenue off my entire video just for that X amount of time on the footage. And I'm thinking, whoa, hang on. How is that right? Well, maybe it is. You created the music, but if you're going to use it from a GoPro where you've paid hundreds for the camera, then you pay 60 quid a year for the subscription. So when you use their tools to create a video and they supply the music, you think, wait, shouldn't that be like, what's the word for it? Copyright free? To be able to use to put where you like? I don't know. Let me know in the comments below. So anyway, so you can, how do you scan for the next one? Stations. All right, look at this. Absolute radio, Bayside. My light's gone out again. What's going on? Is that? Oh, hang on for a sec. Maybe I wasn't meant to make this video. I don't know. So, stations, let's have a look. Absolute, why does it go from the top? Bayside, Wales. Well, right, turn the volume off for that. Colwyn Bay, that's where that's from, which is about, I'd say 45 minutes from my house. So let's have a look again. What else we got? Asian Network, Radio Cymru. You want to hear a bit of Welsh? Press that. Connect into BBC Radio Cymru. Alan Hughes is on. Very popular in my place. In fact, he went to the same school I went to. How's about that? But I'm a little bit older than him. Okay, right, what else we're going to go for? Radio 5, Radio 1, Radio 1 Extra, Radio 2, Radio 3, 4, Radio 4, World Service. What's World Service about? Dear Daughter. It gives you the title. Do you know what? This is a beautiful radio. I like it a lot.
I like it a lot.
Right, where we're going? Wham. Oh, Wham. With Freedom.
I don't want to play around.
Okay. Talk Sport. This. So, what's UCB1? Connecting. Talking Point. Coming up, Amadeo, Still My God by Ray Stevenson's.
Protests happening around fuel on our motorways, and some drivers choosing to slow down the speed of which people are meant to be travelling on the motorways. How concerned should people be in terms
Well, the price of fuel, I don't know what the price of fuel in your country is, but in the UK at the moment, we're paying £2 a litre. Now, I don't know whether it's going to be more by the time you see this video or even less, but it needs to stop somewhere. People need to get to work. Not only that, there's a knock-on effect that it costs more to deliver the food, so the food goes up, and it's a bit like a domino effect, isn't it? But the only thing is the wages aren't going up to cover it. I'm getting political again, Annie. Anyway, let's go back to, what's the menu do? Station list, full scan, manual tune, prune invalid. Oh, I get that, yeah. DRC. Now, what does DRC do? Let me know in the comments. So I find out in the thing. DRC. Okay, tap between A for DAB radio, B for FM radio, and C for Bluetooth. Okay, so this icon there, what I thought was the power, it looks similar to a power, doesn't it? So, what was it? Oh yeah, you can change between digital radio, then it goes to FM, no radio. So how do you tune? Oh, how do you tune the FM then? Ah, because I'm in the shed, I'm quite surprised the digital band came through. Obviously, a stronger signal these days. How do you hold the scan? Do you hold it down? Oh yeah, hold it down and it auto scans. Oh. I'd probably get more if I took it outside. But at the end of the day, I'm not going outside. It's too loud. Too much lorries and traffic and people cutting grass and trimming hedges and stuff like that. So, well, you can mute it. Oh, look at that. One press, volume mute as well. Ideal. RDS. Oh, what's this? Classic. I wonder if I talk over it like that, yeah, and shout. I wonder if that happens if I talk over this. Will I get copyrighted? I'll find out, won't I? That was, who was that? Emil Nicholas von Reznicek, Donna Diana Overture. Whatever that is. So what do you think? I think that's enough for now on this. You can tuck that in the back there. But I do love the fact that it's got its own nice little information screen on the LCD there. Oh, you can give, oh, look at that. You can actually go for the mono, volume muted, mono, and then you can go battery power. What have we done now? Oh, right. So what's that mean then? I don't know what that means. Gives you the day, the time. 4th of July 2022 at 10:53 AM. Happy 4th of July, the Americans, with their independence. Hopefully, you never know, sometime in the future, maybe Wales will get theirs too. You never know. So, if you want one of these, what was it called again? I threw the box over it, didn't it? A Pure Elan DAB Plus radio. Do you know what? This is probably the best £5 I've spent. That's less than a bag of chips, isn't it? And a fish cake or something. You know what I mean? £5 for that. You know? That is perfect. And I don't know what to do with this. Keep it in the shed or put it in the kitchen. I've got Alexa in the kitchen now, so this is it for this one. It's just a quick mess about video. You can stick your headphones in there. You can power it by a power lead. It's quite a long lead too. I think this is excellent. It's got half decent sound on the speaker. Not that tinny. I just didn't want to turn it up because of the copyright rubbish. So if you like the Pure Elan DAB radio, DAB Plus radio, and you want one for £5, pop down to your local B&M stores and see if they've got one in. £5. In fact, it's worth a lot more. You know what I mean? It really is. At the end of the day, let's have a look. There you go. There it is. Am I still recording? Yes. Until the next time. Take care. Bye bye.